Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Code Chain New Continent, and this stock is indeed showing those kind of possibilities where one can expect a sharp bounce back on the upside. Okay, because it's been very prominent in this kind of stocks where the stocks is falling down from the past 2 3 4 to 10 years, and now with one move or in a couple of months or even couple of weeks the stock has all the gains it has shaved off over a couple of years. It's just moved back so swiftly that it has covered most of the losses. So we are going to discuss about the trend, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the notification subscription button and also hit on the notification button to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now, as you can see here, that from the highs of 2016 and 17, where your big resistance lies. So your big resistance lies at $10.61 on the upside, or one can consider a range which is in between 9.5 and $10.6 on the upside. Okay, and on the downside, if you have your big support, here you have your big support at 0.7, and finally you have 0.65. so these are the two big supports on the downside which one needs to look at, and on the upside you have a resistance which will be between 9.5 and 10.6. so for the time being one should look inside this trading range. Okay, because it's been moving inside this range for a couple of long time, last 4-5 years, so there is no point one should think beyond that. And if you want to think, let the stock either breaks down below 0.65, so after that one should not hold any level, or if you are very bullish, then let the stock makes a breakout and settle above $11, then only we can talk about a breakout. Okay, or the start of a new trend. But what we are going to discuss here is the current trend and possibility of a next trend within the range. Okay, so that's the thing we are going to decide, or we are going to look at. Now this one. Okay, let me simply tell you about the range. So here you have, so first of all you have your first support at 1.8, and you have 0.75 and 0.65 on the downside. On the upside, first understand, on the upside you have your first target at $2.5. so now the stock tried to went up above 2.5, it actually went up to 3.9 or $4, but right now it again falls back to 2.2, so it is inside this range. So the range or the resistance is pretty much active. So if the stock moves and sustain above $2.5 on the upside, then only we can look our first target or resistance at $6.5, and probably then it would move to $10 or in between 9.5 or $10.6 on the upside. So this is very much conditional beyond 2.5. so first hurdle will be 2.5, and also there are lots of support and resistance level which one can look inside this range. But the fun fact is, it may happen that the stock in one shot can move towards the sky and every levels gets covered. Okay, so that's also a possibility. But as we can say disciplined trader or investor, whatever you can call yourself, you should always keep your stop losses handy. You should always know your support and resistance Trail your support and resistance accordingly to save and manage your risk and to earn profit. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.